Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first section for Monday, 2nd March 2026, Nifty index opened negative and drained strength towards the conclusion of the week and moved in a choppy manner throughout the day. It dropped below 25,150 in the last hour as selling intensified amongst fearful global cues and closed with losses of around 320 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily and weekly frame and closed near its lower band. India VIX was up by around 5% to 13.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.63. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700, while immediate trends could be in between 24,900 to 25,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 7,314 crores, while TIIs were sellers worth 11,948 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 18.4%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 25,200, weakness could be seen towards 24,850, while hurdles have shifted lower to 25,350 levels. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 60,750, weakness could be seen towards 60,000 levels, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 61,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Union Bank, Voltas, Oil, Indian Bank and CG Power, while some weakness could be seen in Bharti Airtel, Indigo, CDSL, Keynes Technology, AB Capital, and Hudco. Wish you a super day and lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.